Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Jacure's newly released album Royal Soldier debuted atop the Billboard Reggae Albums chart in the #1 spot. This marks Cure's sixth title and second #1 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Royal Soldier was released on August 30 by VP Records Group. The 14-song set features collaborations with Popcorn, Capleton, Junior Reid, Damon Marley, rhythm and blues singers Maya and Melanie Fiona, and hip-hop star Tory Lanez, among others. The album is a follow-up to Jacure's 2015 album The Cure. The Grammy-nominated singer recently completed his Royal Soldier tour, which started on July 1. The tour saw Jacure making stops in Sweden, Norway, Africa, and Suriname, among others. It commenced on August 24. Recording artist Black Amaya is gearing up to release his debut EP dubbed Living Dread. The 7-track compilation offers an insight into the journey of the luminary in the making. Living Dread EP is executively produced by Damon Jr. Gong Marley and will be available on September 13 to be released by Ghetto Youths International. Since being signed to Grammy-winning Damon Jr. Gong Marley's acclaimed Ghetto Youths International label, Black Amaya has carefully honed his craft to carry on his label's historical legacy. Now onto the international scene, where pop singer Ariana Grande has filed a lawsuit against fashion company Forever 21 and a spin-off beauty brand Riley Rose. The singer is alleging they stole her name, likeness, and other intellectual property to promote their brands for free. Grande's legal team alleges the clothing company sought an endorsement deal in late 2018 and early this year, but the request was declined due to Forever 21's unwillingness to pay the fair market value for a celebrity of Grande's stature. The documents allege Forever 21 and Riley Rose published at least 30 unauthorized images and videos misappropriating Miss Grande's name, image, likeness, and music in order to create the false perception of an endorsement. Grande is seeking $10 million in damages for copyright infringement, common law trademark infringement, and other alleged offenses. And a U.S. district judge has set a tentative trial date for R. Kelly's federal case in Chicago. The trial is reportedly set to begin on Monday, April 27 in 2020. R. Kelly is currently being held in jail without bond. He was arrested in July on 13-count federal indictment that alleges he sexually abused minors and also conspired to obstruct justice. Along with the Chicago federal court, Kelly is facing criminal sex abuse-related charges in Brooklyn, as well as Cook County in Illinois and Hennepin County in Minnesota. He has pleaded not guilty to the charges in Chicago, Brooklyn, and Cook County. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.